Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today we are going to read a new story of your Roots book. Okay. This is page 53, chapter 4. Pinocchio, the naughty puppet. Children, this is very famous and very interesting story. So, follow your book and read the story. Once upon a time, Master Geppetto, an old carpenter, received a gift from his friend Master Antonio. What was this gift, you ask? It was a block of wood. He was very happy and ran home with it. So, children, Master Antonio was friend of Master Geppetto and he gave him a block of wood as a gift. Okay? तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस पेज से क्या जान पा रहे हैं। मास्टर एंटोनियो जो कि मास्टर जेपेटो के फ्रेंड थे, वो जेपेटो को क्या दिए थे, एक वुड का यानी एक लकड़ी का एक ब्लॉक दिए थे, जिसको पाकर जेपेटो बहुत ही खुश थे। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पेज। Page 54. As soon as he reached his little house, Geppetto took his tools and began to cut and shape the wood into a puppet. What shall I call him? He said to himself. I think I will call him Pinocchio. After choosing the name for his puppet, Geppetto set seriously to work to make the hair, the forehead, and the eyes of the puppet. So, children, as you know, Geppetto was a carpenter. So, when he get the block of wood, he was very happy and he wanted to make a puppet with the wood. Okay, so he was making the puppet and the eyes of the puppet. He was very surprised when he noticed that these eyes moved and then stared at him. Geppetto said, "Wooden eyes, why do you stare?" There was no answer. So, children, when Geppetto made the eyes started staring at him. Okay, so जब देखो बच्चों, जेपेटो ने उस वुडन ब्लॉक से, आप लोगों को पता है जेपेटो कारपेंटर थे। कारपेंटर कौन होते हैं? जो वुड के सामान बनाते हैं, चीज़ें बनाते हैं। तो देखो जैसे उसको वुडन ब्लॉक मिला, वो बहुत ही खुश हो गए और उससे वो क्या बनाना चाहते थे, एक पपेट बनाना चाहते थे। तो उन्होंने बनाना स्टार्ट किए। फिर उन्होंने क्या किए, जैसे उन्होंने आइज़ बनाए पपेट के, तो वो आइज़ उनकी तरफ स्टेयर यानी एक उनकी तरफ देखने लगे। ठीक है, तो उन्होंने पूछा कि आइज़ तुम मेरे तरफ ऐसे क्यों देख रहे हो, पर कोई आंसर नहीं था। After the eyes, it was time to carve the nose, which began to grow longer as soon as it was finished. It began to grow and grow and grow till it became so long that it seemed endless. So, children, when Geppetto made the nose, it began to grow. Okay? जब जेपेटो ने नोज़ बनाए, आइज़ के बाद जब नोज़ बनाए, तो वो नोज़ ग्रो ही होने लगा। ठीक है, रुक ही नहीं रहे थे, जैसे कि ये एंडलेस है। ओके, तो यहाँ इस पेज के वर्ड मीनिंग पे हम लोग देख लेते हैं। सीरियसली मीन्स विथ ग्रेट अटेंशन। ओके, कार्व, कट आउट। नेक्स्ट पेज। This is page 55. Poor Geppetto kept cutting it and cutting it, but the more he cut it, the longer it grew. Next came the mouth. No sooner was it finished than it began to laugh at him. Stop laughing, said Geppetto angrily. The mouth stopped laughing, but it stuck out a long tongue. So, children, as the nose was growing and growing, so Geppetto was cutting and cutting it. Then he made the mouth. As he completed the mouth began to laugh at him. So Geppetto became angry. जैसे ही उसने देखो नोज बनाए, नोज तो लॉन्ग होते ही रहा, तो जेपेटो ने उसको काट काट के छोटा बनाने का ट्राई किया. फिर उसने जब माउथ बनाया तो वो माउथ जेपेटो की तरफ ही देख के हंसने लगा. इससे जेपेटो बहुत एंग्री हो गया और बोला कि स्टॉप लाफिंग. ओके, द माउथ स्टॉप लाफिंग. जैसे माउथ स्टॉप किया लाफिंग तो उसने क्या किया, अपना टंग निकाल के जेपेटो की तरफ दिखाए. नॉट विशिंग टू स्टार्ट एन आर्ग्यूमेंट, Geppetto went on with his work. After the mouth, he made the chin, then the neck, the shoulders, the stomach, the arms, and the hands. So, children, one after one, Geppetto made the other parts of the puppet. Okay? The legs and the feet still had to be made. As soon as they were done, Geppetto felt a kick on the tip of his nose. I deserve this, he said to himself. I should have thought of this before I made him. Now it's too late. So, children, when Geppetto made the legs and feet, he felt a kick, okay, on the tip of his nose, and Geppetto became disappointed. Okay, so he told that he deserved this as he wanted to make the puppet. देखो बच्चों, जैसे ही जेपेटो एक के बाद एक सारे पार्ट्स बनाए और लास्ट में लेग्स और फीट्स बाकी थे. जैसे ही लेग बना चुके तो जेपेटो को एक किक दिया वो फीट कहाँ पे, टॉप ऑफ हिज नोज. और जेपेटो इससे बहुत ही दुखी हो गए थे और उन्होंने क्या बोला, यही हम डिज़र्व करते हैं क्योंकि हम इसको बनाने से पहले नहीं सोचे थे. अभी तो बहुत लेट हो गया, अभी तो और सोच के क्या होगा. He took hold of the puppet under the arms and put him on the floor to teach him to walk. Pinocchio's legs were too stiff that he could not move them. Geppetto held his hand and showed him how to put out one foot after the other. As soon as Pinocchio could walk by himself, he started to run all around the room. He came to the open door and with one leap he was out into the street. So, children, as soon as when Geppetto made his legs, then he taught him how to walk. Okay, how to walk, because Pinocchio's legs were stiff. So Geppetto taught him how to walk, how to then as soon as he could walk, Pinocchio run, okay, and get out of the room. सो देखो बच्चों, जब पिनोकियो उसके लेग्स बना चुके तो पहले तो जेपेटो ने उसका पिनोकियो का लेग्स बनाए तो पिनोकियो ने तो उसको किक दिया नोज पे, इससे तो वो दुखी हो गए थे. उसके बाद उसको चलना भी सिखाया है जेपेटो ने, क्योंकि उसके लेग्स जो थे वो स्टिफ थे. स्टिफ यानी जो आसानी से बेंड नहीं होते, डिफ़िकल्ट टू बेंड. ओके, तो उसके बाद जेपेटो ने उसको सिखाए, पिनोकियो को सिखाए कैसे एक लेग के बाद एक लेग आगे करे और चले, ठीक है। तो जैसे उसने चलना सीख गया, वन लीप यानी एक एक जंप करके वो कहाँ चले गए, डोर के बाहर एकदम स्ट्रेट में, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट पेज, this is page 56. Poor Geppetto ran after him but was unable to catch him. Catch that naughty puppet! Catch him! Geppetto kept shouting, but those who saw them stood still to stare and to laugh until they cried. So, children, Geppetto came on the street and he was running after Pinocchio, but Pinocchio was too fast that Geppetto could not catch him. So he cried, "Catch the naughty puppet!" But the people who were standing on the roadside, they were laughing at the sight. Okay, they were laughing at Pinocchio and Geppetto. Carlo Collodi, written by, okay चिल्ड्रन। तो देखो बच्चों, जब जेपेटो रोड पे आ गए, स्ट्रीट पे आ गए और दौड़ने लगे, पिनोकियो जब दौड़ने लगे तो पिनोकियो के पीछे जेपेटो भी भागने लगे उसको पकड़ने के लिए, पर पिनोकियो को वो पकड़ नहीं पा रहे थे, ठीक है। तो वो बोल रहे थे कि कैच द नॉटी पपेट। सो पिनोकियो कैसा पपेट थे, नॉटी पपेट, ओके। और जो लोग तब साइड में खड़े थे, रोड साइड में, तो वो लोग तो ये देख के हंसते हंसते एकदम वो लोग रो पड़े, इतना वो लोग हंस रहे थे कि एक पपेट जो है, नॉटी पपेट भाग रहे हैं और उनके पीछे ओल्ड जेपेटो भी भाग रहे हैं पकड़ने के लिए, ओके। So this was the story, children. I hope you all understand and enjoy the story. Read the chapter again, word by word, okay, and try to understand. Next day we will write question answers and other exercise part of this chapter. Thank you.